Every piece of wood is different, and every area on every piece of wood is different. So I can see that this is more fibrous and this is more dense. And so what I'll often do, it's a bit nerve-wracking at the beginning, I'll often try and do an easy series of cuts or easy series of parts of letters first, just so I don't ruin a really good piece of wood. This wood is extraordinarily dense right here. So what this goes to show is that the issue of writing is inextricably connected with the development of technology. And what often happened in the course of the history of writing is that a new technology would be introduced, and that in itself would change the entire way in which a script looked. So there are examples of one culture developing a script that looked a certain way because it was written on a palm leaf, for example, and then another culture thinking, wow, this whole idea of writing is very, very interesting, we're going to try this, but then they would carve it in bamboo using the point of a knife. And so what that would mean that the palm leaf script was quite broad, but the bamboo point of the knife, very, very tight, very twisty, very curly. So you'd have something that was essentially pretty much the same alphabet or the same script. Going across a crack here, there we go. The same alphabet or the same script, but it was done, and it wound up looking as if it was completely different. What we're seeing is that we're used to writing on a flat level surface, and we think, you know, that's what writing is. That's by no means universal. If anything, it's a fairly modern experience. I actually love this part most of all because it really forces me to sort of slow down. It's a nice sort of meditative action at the end of a day. You can't hurry this stuff.